Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com. JazTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you would like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate if you would buy a watch from JazTime.com once in a while. Alright, today we're going to be having a comparison of the two-tone sports pieces, so battle of the two tones. In our front, right off the center, we have the Rolex Submariner 116613, and then the Rolex Cosmograph Daytona here on the left, so 116503. Then the Rolex GMT-Master II in the two-tone 11667113, and then the Yacht-Master 40. Reference number 116621, and then we'll end off with the Yacht-Master II 116681. We'll be following just a quick format. We'll be talking about the dial, bezel, case, and the case. For specific crown functions and such, you can actually look at their individual standalone reviews on our YouTube channel to see the exact functions of the watch and other information about the watch. But this is just a quick overview for those who are looking to purchase a sports piece but not too sure which two-tone sports piece they'd like to go for. Alright, so let's go ahead and start off with the Submariner. As I mentioned, the 116613. This is the Rolex Submariner two-tone in the stainless steel yellow gold two-tone. We have a beautiful blue dial. This is also available in the standard black dial as typical Submariners are. This is a diver's watch as stated by the beautiful ceramic bezel, the Cerachrome bezel as Rolex likes to call it. So beautiful blue bezel. Obviously, but if you get the black dial, you can have the black bezel as well. The bezel is a unidirectional ceramic bezel. That unidirectional meaning that it can only turn one way, as you see. As I turn it to the left, you can't shift it back over to the right. That unidirectional bezel is used to track, help divers track their oxygen levels underwater. So you can see that if I move the period to the minute hand, you can track the elapsed time using that outer edge 60 graduated scale. So each indice would be 5 minutes increments, with the Arabic numerals being increments of 10, so 10, 20, 30, 40, as you can see. But you can also use it for everyday activities such as checking how fast you run a mile, or how fast you can, or how long a business meeting is taking. So besides that, the dial, just a very beautiful dial, which is a standard sports piece dial, which are the circular hour markers with the index 6 and 9 o'clock position, hour markers with a triangular 12 o'clock position, and also the date 1 at the 3 o'clock position, with a Cyclops lens on top of that sapphire crystal for magnification, easier viewing of the date. Bracelet is just a simple oyster style bracelet, which you'll see in all 5 of these watches. So oyster style bracelet with the two-tone, the gold going down the center, and a nice beautiful high polish. The high polish is contrasted by that satin finish, and that really brings the gold out more more shine. Okay, so we'll go ahead and move on to the Daytona now. So let me go ahead and put this down. The Daytona, as I mentioned, this is the 116503. This is the two-tone Daytona. Very beautiful watch. As you can see, a little bit different than the standard sports piece as I showed you with the Submariner. Now we have just simple index hour markers with 3 subdials now. The 6 o'clock position subdial tracks elapsed time for seconds. The 3 o'clock is 30 minutes, and the 9 o'clock position subdial is 12 hours. And this is, as the name states, is the Daytona. This watch was made for the Daytona, which was the racing of cars. And we can see that with the bezel. The bezel, as you can see, is just a beautiful 18 karat yellow gold bezel, nicely high polished, but we don't have that same scale as we saw in the Submariner. Instead, we have the tachymeter scale, or the chronometer scale, and it's used to track how fast a car is going. You can see the units per hour at the 1 o'clock position, and that scale going all the way up to the 400, with indices being at the triangular for the Arabic, and it's simple small indices in between. That's used in conjunction with the stopwatch feature, as this is this is like a chronograph watch. So at the 2 o'clock position, we'll start the central second hand you see there, that's just simply sitting there, and the 4 o'clock position will reset that second hand or the subdials as well. As you can see, same style bracelet, oyster bracelet, beautiful two-tone bracelet with that same style clasp, which is the safety folding oyster clasp, which is typical on the Rolex sports pieces. Moving on, we're going to move on to the GMT-Master II. As I mentioned, this is the 116-713. This is the Rolex GMT-Master II in the two-tone. As you can see, similar dial as the Submariner, being the circular hour markers, date 1 of the 3 o'clock position, but we have the addition of the GMT hand here. The GMT hand is unique to the GMT Master, as it allows the tracking of an additional time zone. But that is used in pair with the bezel as well. As you can see, beautiful black ceramic bezel. It is bidirectional, so it shifts both ways as shown. And that allows for tracking of a third time zone. So if you do lots of business traveling, you jump from country to country, and you just need to keep additional time zones, this is the watch for you. You can track your home time, that time in London, you can track the time in the Philippines, you can track 3 different time zones with the usage of that additional hour hand that's highlighted in the Rolex green color, and the usage of that bidirectional bezel with a 24-hour scale in that beautiful 18-karat yellow gold as well. As I shift the watch down lower, you can see same style bracelet, very beautiful oyster bracelet, 18-karat yellow gold, same style clasp as well. You can see safety folding oyster lock. Absolutely gorgeous watch overall as well. Now that we're done with the GMT-Master II, let's go ahead and move on to a new territory. I've shown you 3 yellow gold watches, but let's give a little bit of love to the rose gold watches. So the Ever Rose Gold, as Rolex likes to call, it's a special style of rose gold that Rolex themselves developed. It is similar to rose gold, but they actually added a platinum into their mixture for the rose gold and called it Ever Rose Gold, because it'll keep its color over time, similar to like an evergreen tree. We'll have this rose gold, beautiful rose gold color you see on the bezel, on the bracelet, that will keep throughout its lifetime. It won't fade over time like typical rose gold does. But for this is the Yacht-Master 40, as I mentioned, reference number 116621. Beautiful chocolate dial that's unique to the Yacht-Master 40. We have the maxi dial hour markers again, similar to the Submariner and the GMT as well. 3 o'clock position has the date window, the Yacht-Master name, and a beautiful red coloring to contrast off that dial. And you can see the bezel, it looks very similar to the Submariner bezel, however, it actually is very different. So instead of having that beautiful ceramic bezel, instead they have the Ever Rose Gold sort of sand finish underneath as the base, and then on top of that, they have these raised numerals for that 60-minute scale, similar to the Submariner, but is raised and high polished to bring a nice shine to the face of the watch and match very beautifully with the lugs of the case. You can see very nice high polish on the lugs of the case. So while this is considered a sports piece, it's more of a dressier piece, or more of a show-off piece, with the nice high polish being all over that face of the watch. So the same thing with the GMT-Master II, however, where the bezel is bidirectional as well, and as the name states, it's a Yacht-Master 40. The Yacht-Master is used for yacht racing, tracking that elapsed time with that bezel, moving that high polished triangular marker to the minute hand. You can track how long it takes for one of the yachts you're looking at to make a lap, or even your own yacht to make a lap. But also similar, you can use it to track other things like as running a mile or business meetings and such as well. But besides that, same bracelet, oyster style bracelet, but instead with the Ever Rose Gold, nicely high polish. You can really see that contrasting of that satin finish is really bringing out that 18-karat Ever Rose Gold more. And same style of bracelet as well. We have the folding oyster clasp. And we're going to go ahead and put this down now and move on to the next piece, which is our final piece of this video, the Yacht-Master II. So this one, you can already see a huge difference between the other ones. And really just huge. You can see nice raised profile that will sit higher on the wrist. Larger dial, while the other watches were 40 millimeters in diameter for the case sizing. We're looking at a larger case size for the Yacht-Master II being a 44mm case size. You can also see the similar style of ceramic bezel for the watch, though, similar to the Submariner, where we have the nice blue base of the ceramic, but instead we have these numerals going from 0 to 10 with the Yacht-Master II name engraved underneath there with the 18-karat Everrose gold dusted on there to give it a nicer look. And that's matching in conjunction with the beautiful blue outline of that same Arabic numerals going from 0 to 10 in the middle, with a red hand and with a smaller red shorter hand similar to the hour marker hand that points towards it. And that's because the bezel is called a Rolex ring command bezel, and the changing of the bezel's positions is 4 different positions that allow you to program that center 0 to 10 to count down from that 10-minute marker at the maximum, and that can be used to track elapsed time, but in a more sophisticated manner. Besides that, we have the seconds hand at the 6 o'clock position to track that seconds, and a central seconds hand as well, and that's similar to the Daytona, where we have the chronograph feature where the 2 o'clock position starts that central seconds hand, and the 4 o'clock position will reset that. Besides that, we have different style hour markers as well. We have these square hour markers with a triangular 12 and a rectangular 6 o'clock position hour marker. But besides that, similar to the Yacht-Master 40, nice high polish on the lugs that match with the high polish on the down the middle of the bracelet, the Everrose gold on that oyster bracelet. Very beautiful tapering of the bracelet from the case to the bracelet and all the way to the clasp. Same style clasp, folding oyster clasp. But very beautiful watch overall. So if you're interested in any of these watches for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty. And if you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.